What is going on, YouTube? I'm here with the G82 and we are going to a car meet today called Caffeine and Octane. I'm not sure if you guys know about it, but it's a car show that they host the first Sunday of every month. As you guys can see, the car look a little bit different. I got some tint on the car all the way around. The car is lowered now on CTS turbo springs and I've been loving it. It sits way better than it was before, and the back also, and I still expect it to drop a little bit because the spring has not settled yet. So give you guys a quick walk around the car, show you what's going on. And it's been filthy out, so I figured why not, just do something a little bit fun today and get a video for the channel. So I washed the car 2 days ago. It rained yesterday on it. Got back dirty. I warmed it down yesterday. It rained last night again. Got back dirty because I went out to get some food and it started raining on the car. So I got up early this morning before the car meet to wipe the car down. And it's not the cleanest, but it is better than what it was 20 minutes ago. So I've been missing this keyhole right here for a minute. So I got that figured out. Without further ado, you guys, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to start heading there now. Hopefully I get some cool rolling shots on the way there. A little bit of POV, and just have some fun with it today. Guys, so now we're at the fuel station getting some fuel. Doing it. Boy, Dory kid right there. Shit. This guy about to hit my car, man. Do it. I dare you, nigga. Hey. He not even close.
That's vlog?
Yeah. What going on, what?
I didn't want to fuck up.
Huh?
I don't know what accident hit me. God, this shit was 10 times.
Shit, a little bit way better, right?
Yeah. You can see that shit from like that.
Yeah.
That shit was like this.
It already got spaces on it too.
5 minutes away.
Remember how it was before? You put a fist, I could put a whole fist in that shit.
Spaces coming, that shit.
Yeah.
He looked at me like, shit, what's it looking like? We gonna do it other time? I'm like, shit, unless you want to be driving down the road slanted.
Yes, sir.
Famous car, man.
Huh?
It's a famous car, man.
It's the first time riding one?
Yeah.
Ain't no way this man really finna put Duran in the back seat, bro.
That's kind of crazy.
He can barely fit in the front. So I just got a code saying that I got a flat tire. So I pulled up on the side of the road now and pumping it up, as you can see.
that shit. Just got here, so I can see. So, there. You want to go 50-50, just get like a cheap ass chassis, do some crazy shit with it? Good. This looks so easy. She says it's done about. It's cool. I don't know what they call these, but they're kind of cool. Got license plate? Yo, this shit's road legal. They road legal. But you got license plate on it. It's a sponsors car for driving school, SRT. We got DTRs over there. These are nice. Carbon ceramic brakes. This is crazy. Motor looks stock. R34. What is this, bro? This is a
E28.
E28.
Yeah, it's an 88.
1988 E28. Got a V8, right?
I think so. Yeah, my dad. So the engine in this car was horrible, and me personally, I have a 91 E34 body style, and we bought a junk car, and I took the tranny out of it, and my dad took the engine.
Okay.
And this one still needs a tune, and I think that's it actually. And then, but everything else, he just got working. It shifts beautifully, runs fine.
Okay.
That's not the reason.
Inline 6.
Yeah.
New R8 coming through. 10. Nice. Guys, we got this T80 right here. It's got a yellow carbon in front. What do you guys think about this one right here? It's really nice. I think it's called race yellow. Carbon fiber everywhere. Obviously carbon roof. The interior is black on this one. I do need the stuck conversion though. Like ASAP. It's nice on the I got here just pulled up with a boat. GT3s right here.
Oh, what the fuck?
Skyline. Got the M2 right here. X3M right here, S58. It's color nice. I was gonna originally get one of these cars before I got my M4. This is what I was going for at first. It's nice though, I like it. E36 M3. Sequential. 36 M3, guys. CTSV right here. For all you American guys, I love these American cars. Talk about diversity. Get it back to the Rolls Royce coloring it out here. With the red guts. So what's going on? We got the chain. Don't get in. Rear seats. Urus right here. Red brake calipers. Amuse.
Yeah, RSQA instead.
Yeah, RSQA for like 60, 70,000.
An M2 cop.
That car, bro. That's a track car. It's like, this is what happens when you go on the track. Like, on that hot ass road.
You do it. Clean ass M392. Got you. That's pretty V8. Last V8. I'm through that BMW. Wait, you say what about this? You said what about these 4 Series, bro?
Solid title, bro. Copart.com. No reserve. I think it's sold for like 3K.
Oh, this one. Oh yeah, I was bidding on this for 1,500, but somebody. Oh, who got it for 3K? Who caused it?
I don't know, but whoever bought it, like the pictures of it, it wasn't nothing left. There wasn't an engine. There wasn't like a front fender.
How the fuck did she even get
The
here?
sunroof was gone.
Get that thing right, my boy. So what? I put his dreads is crazy. Not gonna lie. Come on, man. There you go.
There it is.
There it is. You're talking about the clerk on.
Bro, like for real, like what the fuck are you doing? You're doing more damage than good. Tyreek, stop, bro. God damn.
No, he doing good though. He doing good.
What do you mean?
What you mean? It's a cloth. It ain't gonna do that.
That cloth is not clean. Not a dirt and shit that's in that cloth.
But he used the same cloth for his wheels too.
Fuck.
I don't use this shit.
I'm gonna treat that baby like this.
What am I doing?
Let the man be, man.
What the hell am I doing? I'm just trying to get the fucking shit clean.
So now the car meet is finally over. I'm about to go get some food right now. I'm gonna follow this nigga. The camera died on that last clip. I didn't get to record the outro. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share it with a friend. Got a lot more of these coming soon. The suggestions of what kind of videos y'all want to see me make with the car, leave a comment down below. I'll take that into consideration. Thank you guys for watching as always. Make sure you drop a like and leave a comment. Thanks.